Lesson 3-2, How to check operating ratio. This is a band graph showing operating ratio. It shows machine operating time, handling time, maintenance time, error time, and others in different colors. Machine operating time is when motor is operating. Handling time is when an operator is setting and fixing material and finishing material. Maintenance time is when a machine is in maintenance mode. Error time is from error occurrence to recovery. Others is the time other than above. Break time, etc. You can dig into operators' work and control running time and downtime. So, let's explore how to see on the system. Click on Operating Ratio Analysis, then Band Graph. You can select the display format, in ratio or time. And select the time to display, on today or specified date. Select machines. You can select max 10 machines. After selecting, click on OK. You can see the percentage when you put the cursor on the graph. Let's see the case selecting time instead of ratio for display format. The vertical axis has changed.